Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore an amazing and powerful tool called Invideo.io. And trust me, this is something really useful if you create content or run any kind of online business. Recently, Invideo introduced a brand new feature called Advertising Studio, and it is designed to help you create high-quality ads and visuals using AI in just a few clicks. In simple words, with Advertising Studio, you can create different types of AI videos and creatives like logo animations, 360-degree product videos, product hero shots, mock-up videos, billboard ads, catalog images, and many more things without needing any design skills. This means you don't need a professional editor or designer anymore because AI will handle most of the work for you. Now, when you click the link in the description and create your account, you will land on a dashboard like this. Here, you will see the Advertising Studio option available. The best part right now is that this feature is completely free, so you can explore all its tools without spending any money. Once you click on it, you will see a wide range of options like logo designer, templates, brand tools, mood boards, thematic photography, catalog photography, hero shots, and more. I will go through some of these features step by step so you can understand how it works. Let's start with the hero shot feature. You can create a new project and it will automatically show you the hero shot prompt. Now, all you need to do is upload your product image. For example, I will upload a lace packet image. After that, you can select the aspect ratio depending on your platform. I will choose 16:9 for YouTube. Then, you can set the duration, for example, 10 seconds, and select how many variations of the video you want. Once everything is set, just click on the Generate button. Now it will start processing, so you need to wait for a few seconds. And once the processing is complete, your video will be ready. Let's play it. As you can see, our Lay's advertisement video is created automatically using the hero shot feature. The quality looks really professional, and the best thing is that it only took a single click. This clearly shows the power of AI and how easy content creation has become. Now, let's move to another feature, which is the logo designer. This feature allows you to create a complete brand logo in just a few seconds. It uses your brand name, preferred colors, font style, and overall design theme to generate a high-quality logo. You simply need to upload an image or enter your details and click Generate. After a short processing time, your logo will be ready. As you can see, it creates a clean and professional logo. What's even better is that you can edit the logo using simple text commands. For example, if I type "add background light," it instantly updates the design. You can also change colors, fonts, shapes, and styles very easily without any technical skills. Next, we have one of the most interesting features, which is the 360-degree product video. With this option, you can turn a simple product image into a rotating 360-degree view. Just upload your product image, and the AI will generate a full rotation video showing your product from all angles. As you can see, the 360 view looks smooth and realistic, which is perfect for showcasing products in ads or online stores. Apart from these, there are many other features available like thematic photography, where you can create styled product images, catalog photography for e-commerce listings, and even Amazon primary image creation. You can also create mock-up billboards, which is great if you want to visualize your ads on large screens or outdoor displays. So basically, it's an all-in-one solution for content creators, marketers, and business owners. Overall, this tool saves a lot of time and effort, and you can create professional-level content without hiring a team. Everything is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If you are into content creation, dropshipping, or digital marketing, then this tool can be a game changer for you. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. Make sure to check out the link in the description and try it yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.